Hello, welcome back to Linux Wednesdays, where we look at Linux tips and tricks on a Wednesday. In this week's video, we're going to be looking at a program called Audacity, which allows you to edit music files, and you'll find Audacity in your software manager under Audacity. So let's run the program. And it says, welcome to Audacity, Audacity version 2.3.3. I'm not sure whether it's the latest version or not. That's the one I got from the App Store. Now you can get quick help, if not locally listed, view online, manual, again you view online unless it's locally listed, and forum, ask questions online. We're just going to press OK, and here you've got your familiar looking pause, play, record and so on. Now I've used this to do voiceovers and record separate audio tracks for various different videos. It's quite handy actually, so you can just turn the, if you don't want a camera microphone, you want to use a separate microphone, or you've got a better microphone, you can use this to record the audio. If I press on File, we're going to open up an MPEG-3, and I'm going to go on to Desktop and go to Lotus Music, again with some Amiga mods. Let's do the title screen.mp3. You'll see there it's now loaded up the audio from the MP3, and I can now edit the audio. So example, if I want to remove the M part, hold the control key down and zoom in. I want to remove this part here, click here, highlight it, and we're just going to press the delete key. So I wanted to remove half the song. Let's make it smaller. The control key. I want to make the song less than 30 seconds, so I'm going to click here and press delete. And I think I didn't want to do that. I can then do an edit and undo delete, but let's delete that again. So I wanted to copy and paste parts about, so I can click here and do an edit and cut, click here on the end, edit, paste. You can do the same thing again, edit and paste from the end here. Let's do that again there, edit and paste. You can have the audio from the start of it as many times as you want. Now you can also add different effects to it. So we go to effects, and we can go amplify, auto duck, and change the pitch, change the speed. So let's change the speed of the first part, this part here. Go to effects and change speed. You can make it faster, which we do there. You can make it even slower. So let's make it that there. I'm going to press OK. We go and play the first part of the video or the audio. See what it sounds like. So now let's make that slower. Highlight here, effect, and change the speed. Let's make it go down there somewhere, make it a bit slower. Press OK. You see it's gone wider, so it should be a lot slower now. That's normal speed, a little bit slower, so let's make it even slower. Effect, change the speed, let's go right down there, press OK, we'll play again. Nice and slow that one is. Let's undo that one, edit, undo, change speed. Now you can also use Audacity to make yourself some audio books for your car or your MP3 player. So if I go File and go New, and go File, Open. If you open a video up in Audacity, such as one here, one of my Linux Wednesdays, let's do the podcasts. So click on podcasts and open it up. It's now imported the video. All you'll see is the audio. And you've got the gap there for a start. I'll give it 5 seconds before I start doing any commentary. And I've got an end gap there, 5 seconds before I end the video. So I click on the first part here. I can then remove it. I can remove it again. I can then go File, Export. You've got it MP3, WAV, OGG, the audio, or multiple. Let's do it as an MPEG-3. And I'm going to call it, just going to call it on my desktop video. And press OK. And here, can give it an artist name, a track name, album name, and so on. I'm going to leave it as it is. Just press Okay, you see there, that's exporting the audio to an MPEG-3. Now, depending on the speed of the machine, it might take a bit longer than that, but that's only about 4.5 minutes. But you can do that with other things, such as a DVD that you've converted to MP4 on Handbrake. So maybe you want an episode of Porridge, Fools and Horses, get some in and so on. You want to convert that to an MPEG-3, you can do this in Audacity, place it on a CD or USB stick, and then play it in your car or your MP3 player. So let's close Audacity. And there we go, there is the video. And you can open that up with, or there's the audio, sorry, you can open that up with like Audacity again if you need to, or you can have it with your Rhythm Box, your sound converter, or your VLC player. That was a very quick look at Audacity, a program that allows you to edit audio files. Now, I've been using it for a while now. I recommend you thoroughly go and check it out because it's absolutely a brilliant piece of software. If you found the video of some use, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, yeah, that other button will seem to work too. But as always, thank you very much for watching Linux Wednesdays. I'll see you in the next video.